Imagine building a house without a strong foundation, it falls apart. In Islam, 5 core practices build the foundation of every believer's faith. These are the 5 pillars of Islam taught by Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Pillar 1. Shahada, declaration of faith. The first pillar is Shahada. This is declaring with full belief that there is no God except Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. It is the core key to Islam that opens the door to everything else. Open book reference. Surah Muhammad, 47:19. Pillar 2. Salah, daily prayers. The second pillar is Salah, performing the 5 obligatory daily prayers from dawn to nightfall. 5 times a day, wherever you are, you pause the noise of the world to connect directly with Allah. Open book reference. Surah An-Nisa, 4:103, and Sahih al-Bukhari 521. Pillar 3. Zakat, giving charity. The third pillar is Zakat, giving 2.5% of your excess yearly wealth to those in need. Zakat isn't just charity. It cleanses your earnings and makes sure no one in the community is left behind. Open book reference. Surah Al-Baqarah, 243. Pillar 4. Sawm, fasting in Ramadan. The fourth pillar is Sawm, fasting during the holy month of Ramadan from dawn to sunset. It goes beyond skipping food and drink. It builds deep self-control, gratitude, and empathy for others. Open book reference. Surah Al-Baqarah, 2:183, and Sahih al-Bukhari 38. Pillar 5. Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca. The fifth pillar is Hajj, the holy pilgrimage to Mecca required once in a lifetime for those who are physically and financially able. Millions gather as equals, standing side by side as one before Allah. Open book reference. Surah Ali Imran, 3 hours 97 minutes. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily deeds and authentic reminders.